morning. This is Kasturi Day. Today I'll again discuss the carbon and its compounds question answer series. Okay, so a little bit of this question answers is left in this chapter. So this chapter is according to ICSE syllabus class 8. Okay, so I'm repeating the last question of my last video, that is the state 6 physical properties of a diamond. Okay, so first one is, it is the hardest naturally occurring solid amongst the diamonds. The black diamond is the hardest one. Okay, and a pure diamond is colorless, transparent, and a brittle solid. Okay, it's colorless, transparent, and brittle solid. And if it is colored, that means there is some impurities in it. Okay, a pure diamond is transparent to X-rays and even to the visible light. The density of pure diamond is 3.5 grams per centimeter cube. Okay, it is a very poor conductor of heat and electricity, and it is insoluble in all solvents. Okay, next we come to how are diamonds formed in nature. Describe the structure of a diamond molecule and what factors determine the value of a diamond. So first is, how are diamonds formed in nature? The molten magma which is present on the earth's crust, in the earth's crust, that sometimes contain carbon. Okay, the molten magma which comes out during volcanic eruptions, so that molten magma that contains sometimes carbon. Okay, and when this magma containing this carbon is pushed up towards the surface of the earth, it gets solidified. Okay, now the iron which is present in the magma on solidification, it expands and it exerts a great pressure on the carbon which is present there. Okay, now that helps in crystallizing out of the carbon in the form of diamonds. Okay, so what happens? The molten magma contains two things, carbon and also iron. Okay, now when this molten magma comes towards the surface, pushed towards the surface of the earth, it gets solidified. Now the iron that is present in the magma, when it solidifies along with this molten magma, it expands and it creates a great pressure on the carbon which is present there. Okay, and that causes crystallization of the carbon which is present there to form diamonds. Okay, this is how the diamonds are formed naturally. Now, next question is, describe the structure of a diamond. So, diamond is a giant molecule. It is a giant molecule. It has 4 carbon atoms as valence electrons. Okay, now each carbon atom is linked with 4 neighboring carbon atoms, thus forming a rigid tetrahedral structure. It forms a tetrahedral structure. Okay, and 4 carbon atoms are there, and each carbon atom is linked to another 4 carbon atoms, neighboring 4 carbon atoms. Okay, so that makes a tetrahedral structure, and it is this strong bonding that makes diamond the hardest naturally occurring substance on the earth. Now, since they have no free or mobile electrons, diamonds do not conduct electricity. The basic tetrahedral unit of diamond crystal is repeated infinitely, forming a 3-dimensional molecule. So this tetrahedral unit of this diamond, the basic structure, that is repeated infinitely and forming a 3-dimensional molecule. The shape of the crystal is octahedral. That is, shape of the diamond is octahedral. Okay. Then what do you understand by the term organogens? Okay, I'm saying, what factors determine the value of the diamond? The value of the diamond is determined by this. I've missed this question. So the value of the diamond, the factors which determine the value of the diamond is the transparency, the color, the cut, color, and clearness. Okay, so the how much the clear the diamond is. Okay, and that is how transparent it is. Okay, how is the cutting there? Okay, and another is how the colorless diamond are very much valuable than the colored ones. Okay, they are more valuable. because they are the pure forms of diamond. The other the diamonds which are colored, or even the black diamond, they are very cheap. Okay, because they contain much impurities in it, and they are not so transparent. The colorful diamonds, they are not so they are not so pure as the colorless diamonds are. Okay, so the bigger the diamonds, the transparent the diamonds, the clear the diamonds, the colorless the diamonds, those are more valuable than the other ones. Okay, now what do you understand by the term organogens, and name four elements which constitute the organogens? Organogens are substance from which organic life started. That is, from the chemical substances which are present naturally, from which the life originated. Okay, the elements are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. Okay, these combine to form life on the earth. So this is the end of the chapter, this carbon and its compounds chapter. Please go through this, please go through the text videos and go through the question answer videos. I'm sure you will get most of the benefits from these question answers as well as from the text videos. And hope you are liking the video. Share with your friends so that they can also be benefited from these videos. And do share, do subscribe, do press the like button, and also do subscribe so that you can get the notification of my next video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.